everyone, this is Gloria of Girliest Cards, and I am back again this week to share another card with you. I am in collaboration with You See Why I Am a Diva, as well as Melissa of Mo Creations. All right, I am entering this card into Saturday Morning Makes, as well as two crafters, one design, two crafters, one design. All right, so don't forget to go and visit each one of the ladies. I'm going to have their links down in the description box below. And so without further ado, let's get started. Let me show you what I use for the cards. Okay, this week our inspiration piece was a fireplace. All right, and so I used the honeybee fireplace, and there is a matching stencil as well. All right, I am using this Provo Craft embossing folder, and I don't know what the name of it is. It doesn't have a name on there, and I can't remember. It's been a while. I am also using this honeybee stamps, and I am using this crate box, and I'm just using this part here just for the wood. Okay, all right. I also use some colored vellum. All right, and I also use some clear vellum cardstock. All right, I am also using, again, this is a mini slimline card, and I am using the largest scallop rectangle die. I am also using Photoplay's largest stitch die. All right, as well as I am using Altenew dies here for the fireplace. Okay, I also, and I did a little bit of ink blending, so I use Spice Marmalade as well as Close to My Heart Slate. Okay, all right, and let me show you this card. All right, here is the card. All right, there's the embossing folder. As you can see, I tried to make this a abstract painting, so I just used some of the colors that was in the fireplace. I needed some greenery, so there's the greenery for the picture, and there's the stitched rectangle frame, and as well as the scallop frame there. All right, and that is my card for this week. Please don't forget to go and visit the ladies' links below, Melissa of Mo Creations, as well as You See Why I'm a Diva. Okay, so see what they created with the same inspiration piece. All right, and if you want to join us, you have 1 week. Just send us a link and we'll come visit you. All right, everybody. Again, I am entering this card into two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Have a great morning, everybody. This is Gloria of Girliest Cards. Bye.